David Tennant.
David
Carrie
Tennant.
Kumank.
What?
Yes. I'm now recording.
I think I'm now recording. I don't actually know anymore.
Well,
Okay.
Have you set up a lobby, by the way?
Are any of us ever prepared?
I mean, we can try to be.
Yeah, right. Right, is this the right person? Oh god, which one's my person? Yes, this one. This one here is my person. Because I started playing a random game in my free time.
yeah.
So our current quest is find the beast of the swamp. That's right.
I've been trying to find that beast for a while now.
The beast of the swamp.
I have no friends.
So Mia, do you want to hear about my antics about why I was causing trouble? Sindri already knows this.
I'm almost scared to do so.
Okay. So funnily enough,
Okay.
a text. Well, I was gonna text my other chat that I have with my friends from where I am. By the way, have you posted a server yet?
I'm up. I'm walking around in the Ward 13.
Why can't I join?
Face the pain that I face every single time. Let Sindri join first. You should be able to join Sindri.
Don't join me just yet.
What are you doing?
I accidentally quick matched into a public game.
Oh, you fucking idiot!
I'm joining Mia's game now.
Okay, so Mia,
Yeah.
I was on Snapchat and I was gonna message my friends, right? And I started messaging. I was gonna put in the chat. What was it? Oh, yeah. So I was gonna text the chat and say I have enough testosterone to make a rhino transition, just at random,
Right.
keep them on their toes. Anyway, decided to backtrack on my statement, to which my friend saw that I was typing, because Snapchat gives you like that notification. He texted the chat. He was like, "What the fuck are you up to then, Sander?"
Oh.
Already knowing I was up to no good. So then I text back. I was like, "Oh, wrong chat." I was telling someone about how I had enough testosterone to make a rhino transition. Apparently fueled on energy drinks, so hyper. And then text lettuce, which you would have absolutely hated. And then put, "Also, what up?" His girlfriend then checks the chat and was like, "I mean, fair enough." So then I text the chat after that, and I was like, "I wish to have the same amount of energy as a cracked out spider monkey that bit off its left testicle last Tuesday and realized he could do it again because he has a right one." And then I proceeded to text the chat and say, "I'm in a good mood today. It's going to get better." He then texted the chat and was like, "What the fuck have I just read?" I texted and was like, "Pure amazingness, admit you've missed me." His girlfriend texted and was like, "You do that, Xander, I believe in you." But yeah, so... Yeah, he then proceeded to send in a picture of, like, a medieval cat armor, which I actually thought was a pig.
Ooh,
So...
That is trippy. I just increased my field of view.
Sindri, are you in her thing?
Yeah.
I am.
Fuck's sake, what is wrong with this game? Failed to find any friends game. Alright, I'm gonna fucking myself.
Experience the pain I experience constantly.
Look at that.
There we go.
I can join now. Fuckity-dastic. I'm just gonna get mad when you shoot me in the head, alright?
I will do nothing of the sort, and every time I do shoot you,
lies.
every time I shoot, I'm gonna add a counter. There you go.
Add a counter.
Fucking
Friendly
do
fire
it.
counter.
Our little talks get worse and worse every single time.
Push him into water. I want to drown this bug.
Oh, of course. I got motion blur on. Don't have VSync. For some
Oh, that's an actual enemy! I thought I was just Xander messing with me!
Help me get this bug into the water where we can drown it.
Drown the bug.
That way. We need to put it that way.
Which
Push
way?
him.
This is
This
animal
way.
abuse.
This way?
It's not animal abuse.
Drown the bug. The bug must be drowned.
No, you fucking dance that way!
Again.
You fucking idiots! Mia, get the fuck away!
Sammy! Sammy, listen to my calls! Listen to
away.
my calls, Sammy!
He's actually moving this way.
We need to,
Fucking Taz, let me
move
do
him
it.
off of the bridge first. And then into the water.
He's fucking dying! Fucking win!
So far, we have accomplished drowning a bug.
That have drowned.
Hello, lady.
Can you see me looking down the scope?
We are elated.
I mean, no.
Oh,
But I
that's a
can see
shame.
the scope on it.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready to keep going?
Yes.
So, we are giving the...
She wants me to come. Was a God made man in his image.
Get wrecked, son. Get wrecked. Sit down.
So no head.
Go on, stealth kill him. Stealth kill him. Stealth kill him. He saw you!
He turned around last minute.
You're an
fucker.
awful hitman. Bad,
Oh,
bad
man.
Agent 47.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Oh, okay. We have friends.
It's okay. I have friends.
You see, I don't
wait.
have friends.
I'm gonna whip you, boy. Okay then.
No, you just sound like Yondu.
I'll whip you, boy.
I'll whip you, boy.
There it is.
May have been your father, boy, but he wasn't your daddy.
I'm Mary Poppins.
Mary Poppins,
I'm
y'all!
Poppins, y'all. I'd love to have his arrow.
You gotta be bald first. Well, actually, you're almost bald.
Yeah, I was gonna say. I was going to say.
You're not far off, Sindri. You can
I am
have his
descending
arrow.
from a long line of eggheads, I will have you know. You
Where's that
don't-
light bulb?
I'm pretty sure that's fireflies.
Sindri, look at the inside. It's got a
Yeah.
fucking...
As in, it's a
Filament.
firefly nest.
No, it's got a filament in
I
it.
think that's just drawn on.
Oh no, you're right. He's right. There is actually.
They had
filament.
Thomas Edison came from this place.
Yes.
Wait, was he the one who
They
made
had.
the light?
They.
I was
Great.
gonna say.
Going
I
in,
got
no
confused
game
for a
plan,
second.
no
That was-
strategy, good to know.
I was about
What?
to. I was
Who
about
cares?
to. I couldn't remember if it was like Thomas Edison. I mean, I know for sure it wasn't Steve Jobs or like, what's his name?
I don't remember having my game at this quality. Not gonna lie.
Alright,
So
murder.
something's happened.
Murder and don't fall off the edge.
I mean, it's more of a note for you two. Don't forget to take out the little firefly things.
Yep, I worked that bit out.
Remember they're going
alright.
into Raj
Doing
mode,
that
Raj
thingy
against
thing.
the machine.
Okay, next one.
Did you get the other one? There we
Good,
go.
good, good.
Alright, adding. That's not what I'm trying to do, game, but okay.
Okay.
Fireflies.
We're gonna have Super Smash coming in soon. He's on his way. Mia, you wanna dodge this?
Oh shit.
No. Oh, god
Yeah.
damn it!
I told you.
You go down.
Oh, I'm
you
down.
both went fucking down.
God
Imagine
damn
that,
it.
I'm
guys,
gonna I'm oh shit mate. Am I gonna have to clutch up again? I need
Alright, I
to
should
heal.
be clear now. Yeah, heal yourself first, and then you can grab me.
I got you. Out.
Ooh,
I got you.
Oh,
going into
recharging.
rage mode.
Yeah. Okay.
You get one, I get the other.
Getting up.
Got one.
Oh,
I didn't get up in time.
no problem.
I need to heal. Whew. Everybody's gonna comment down below and they're gonna be like, "Oh, Outland is so good at this game. Why is he so good?" That's because I have like more than 40 hours in this game, guys.
No, they're gonna say,
Yeah,
why is this
across
dude such an
multiple
asshole
accounts.
to his friends?
Yeah, honestly.
Who? Me?
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm gonna let you fuckers die now. Go on.
Ah, no, I'm down again.
That's right. That's what I thought. Oh. Oh shit. They're after me now.
Behind you.
Yeah, I know.
You
Okay.
sure?
Well, this is the perks of invincibility.
In all fairness, I was gonna say, in all fairness, that probably saved. Oh, okay.
What?
I didn't save you. Never mind.
Whilst it's just the one, oh no, I don't want to drink that quite yet. Whilst it's just the one, I'm going to use my sniper and try and get some good headshots in. Because they
I
do,
don't trust you with that sniper rifle.
they do a lot more damage
It's a
than
single shot. It's a single shot weapon. You're more likely to be hit, statistically speaking,
Yeah.
from a multi-hit weapon.
I don't know. I think any weapon in Mia's hands is devastating. Hit me. Miss me. They're going into rage mode. Head.
Next. Nice.
Only just.
Oh hey, yeah. Get some skulls.
Oh
No,
yeah.
the skulls help against the
I'll keep him
little
busy.
ones. The little sprites.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. I should do that too.
keep pressing 1 as if this is a different game.
He's after me. Ow. I'm gonna fucking die. I'm fine with killing myself.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright, thank you.
Oh, don't let me fall.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Ah! I can't see both of them at the same time. They're on two different
You died.
sides. Yeah.
Right, rage mode.
I was shooting the other
got
one,
one, I got
and the other one did the
underneath
thing
me
as well.
road.
I got one.
Fuck, I had to reload.
Oh,
So I did. You'll need to yeah, you're gonna need to heal. Nice, good heal. Okay, yeah. Prioritize.
Remember, swapping weapons is faster than reloading.
Well, I mean, not if you have to reload both.
I got you. Ooh. Trying to get you anyway.
I'm out of little ammo.
There's some ammo right there.
Careful!
I'm good. Okay. He's doing his big.
Out.
I need to heal. There you
He's bringing in some more little nymphy things.
go. They don't get the sprites, unfortunately. They just focus the boss, but it's
That's fine,
it's
it gives you
damage.
time to kill the sprites.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
No!
I'm fucking dead.
Okay.
Sandra, you got a clutch. That was... yeah, that was unlucky. Don't forget, you can do a neutral dodge, and that's probably quicker than the other kind of dodge.
True. But I mean, I medium dodge anyway.
I'd say just focus, man. Watch out. Ooh.
I was just on the edge
It's
of it.
got such a
sometime.
large distance as well, that attack.
Were you still using that single shot, Mia?
The... only for the beginning when there was only one of them.
There you go.
When there was two of them I switched to my like SMG kind of one. It was only when there was one of them
Good idea.
because I could just aim straight at.
Does he do his like charge up again or what?
Which charge up?
Oh.
No, he doesn't. When he's in this state, when he's lost his partner, he doesn't do his charge.
Okay.
Just focus on dodging.
Yeah, but the Nymphy guys, it doesn't help
True.
because they just bypass.
Yeah, they just
bypass
follow.
through, and he's gone. We got this.
Yep.
She's after me.
Let's just
Fantastic.
burn
I'm
this
dead.
dude. Let's just do that. Let's burn him.
I fucking died.
That's okay.
You guys better take him out.
Oh, he's down. There we go.
Cool.
Now
Good.
then, it's a shame that I mean, I'll just teabag the bridge, I guess.
Okay, we have the Guardian's Heart. It looks like a snowball.
Yes.
Was that? Ooh, you touched my tra-la-la.
Then
my ding ding dong.
we go back to the Undead King.
Hello!
What if she have a shell on her stomach?
I think it's
Like-
to attempt to cover her genitals, probably.
Oh no, I don't think she has genitals.
Probably not. So hang on, my choices here. Wait, can you see the choices that I see?
No.
The choices are, yes, here's the Guardian's Heart. I don't have its heart, I'm sorry. Why do you want the heart? So we can literally just say, I don't have it, I'm sorry. Is that,
Yes,
like,
yeah.
in a sense of we're giving it to the other person, maybe?
Essentially.
We're not going to, but I'm going to ask why she wants it. I want to find out her ethic here. Oh, she's not going to tell me, never mind.
Yeah.
You are forever in our hearts.
You're most very welcome. The other dude was an asshole. I look like a duck or a dead dolphin, though. Oh, I suppose you do as well.
Brother. I mean, sister, actually.
You look like a bunch of heretics.
Just
Okay.
the two of us with our like rifles versus the border
Yeah.
guy.
Xander, come and touch the crystal from where I am.
Okay.
From right where I am.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. Okay. This may take a while.
High
Do,
five.
do, do, do,
High
do,
five.
do, do.
Yeah, you can come and help me if you want to.
Oh,
This is going to take so long.
I'm coming, my love. I'm
might-
coming.
I might speed this up.
I surrender. No. I mean,
come
you
on.
don't
This is gonna be
harm.
perfect. This is gonna be perfect.
Oh.
Oh, it's so close. It's so close. Look at it. Look at
I
it.
won't let us push it any further.
This
Push it
is
to the
the
side
number.
then, push it to the side.
This is the number 10.
And then tilt. There we go.
This is the number 10. This is number 10.
I mean, from this angle it looks very beautiful.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the number 10. I mean, it's fucking touching me. That's it. I'm underage. Age, you know what? Is but a number. I can be whatever age I can't. Okay.
Are we actually prepared to go into this?
I am. I'm fucking running towards him.
If we aren't, then we'll just plan around him.
There we go.
There is an intruder.
There you go.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
This.
We got this.
Look, this feels a little bit easier than it was.
Well, it's because we were prepared with
Yeah.
better stuff now.
Nah. Oh shit! The fucking hammer and sickle god.
Sayonara.
No!
Hello, brother.
If I take care of
the
the
Pythagoras
random people
theorem.
coming out of the tombs, obviously assist you with the main dude.
Oh, what's he doing? What's he doing? Communism.
I can one hit kill these guys, so.
Hello, brother. Nah. No.
Oh, these
You
things.
fucking don't.
I forgot these things existed.
That's right. That's right.
You might want to get out of my mod.
Have a heal, guys.
Thank you.
Oh shit! I forgot he could do what I do.
Yeah, exactly. What were you expecting?
I was just going
You
ham.
were saying that he's got Pythagoras over his head every single time we see him.
That's true.
Oh,
I
hello,
thought-
mister.
I was even screaming out,
hi,
"Hello,
mister.
brother!" Hey,
Got candy for me too?
brother. I killed him.
Yes.
All me.
You're not so undying, are you?
He was undying. So that's how you get it. Okay, hang on.
Undying heart. Oh, and okay.
Oh yeah. But this is why they call me Undying!
Funny that we just killed someone who said the same thing.
Wait, Sindri. Oh yeah. Wait a minute.
What's
Wait a
up?
minute. Your shotgun's scuffed on my screen. Like, it's. You'll have to see it in the post footage, dude. But it was scuffed. Like the lighting was all off. It was like at the side and everything. It was just like, something's not right here. And I was meant to be drinking today.
This guy.
Hang on 2 seconds. Whoa, where'd you go?
I beat you to it.
I'm gonna wait because I know there's a long queue for this. Okay.
It just turns around. I'm trying to be sneaky and shit. Since we didn't even notice I was behind him.
Nah, I
This
just
is
didn't
it.
care.
The same world I visited back in
I'm
Ward
coming.
16. The pan were unwelcoming then, but that was
Same
partially
spot.
our fault. We had invaded their world without
Let's
notice.
go, brother.
The reaction was
Yes, because
warranted.
he
If
reads the
excessive,
law.
I won't make the mistake this time. Okay, so this world, they just decided to walk in. Where did you guys go? What are you guys doing?
We went poof like a magic trick.
Yeah, we did.
Good.
You died, didn't you?
No, it's revised stone 2 times in the corner of the screen.
We didn't die. We merely just vanished. Abracadabra.
Yeah, exactly. Like Houdini. Oh, that's probably not the best.
We just used Abracadabra on ourselves. We just
Nah,
used it on
boring.
ourselves.
It'd be boring.
Could you imagine? I wonder if that can actually happen in the Harry Potter verse.
Probably. I mean, it's a
hold your
spell.
wand.
It's a spell. It doesn't matter where you point the wand. It's still the spell.
You just hold your wand up to your head, and you're just like,
Okay,
Really,
we need to go find Fjord. Fjord,
Yes.
whatever his name wants to be.
we need to find a Ford. Wow, a car. We're all looking for a car.
Yeah.
Some X-Men I
it's
sent.
indigenous people.
Kill him! Kill him! Fucking put that friendly fire counter back up here. Go on then.
That's the first
Okay.
time, okay? That is the first occasion.
Bullshit.
It's been over an hour. That was the first occasion.
You fucking hammered. Have you ever thought about like what would happen if like we went like back in time? and we
We'd
brought,
die.
like- Hmm?
We'd die, but continue.
Well, obviously. But like, if we brought back like stupid shit back in time, like I don't know,
Like a gun.
like oh, no, not like a gun. Let's start off small first. Let's bring back like hentai.
No. Okay, so that is a
Alright.
door you can come through the other side.
Me and Sindri just fucking tag teamed an indigenous life form.
Well done.
Basically. Ooh, storm amulet.
Sindri hammered it. I fucking stuck my scythe up its ass. Oh, Sindri, you hear that? We're a duo. We should make other kinds of videos now. I'm running! Go, go! You just see me
You're
coming out
lucky I didn't
left
shoot you.
field. Dude, Sindri, I was just running next to the pans. The pans were ignoring me and going after Mia. And I was just running straight at her with this pan next to me.
Meanwhile, Xander in the corner complaining about friendly fire. Also, Xander
No, he just wants to
running
get
at like
shot.
an enemy at someone.
Also, Xander running with the enemies to go at the teammates.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, how are ya? Just proceeds to murder him. You
It
know
needs to
what?
dodge when you have armor.
What is this person?
Right,
Strongest dex build
genitalia
versus
of steel.
weakest strength build.
Right, genitalia of steel. Come now.
Genitalia of steel.
Somebody's trying to sell a Nintendo Switch on Facebook, but it's an iPhone with two, a blue and a red lighter attached to it. Is that the boss already? There's no way.
Yeah,
This is a quick level then.
this
got
is trying
a boss
the
from the
immortal.
side of it.
Oh, I think this is where we just have to
Oh,
survive.
no, it's this
Objective,
dude.
survive.
No, he jumped. Oh, I don't know. Isn't this the dude that jumps on
we
the...
literally, no, we just
Survive
have
the
to
siege.
survive.
I'm thinking of the other
Objective.
dudes. There's a dude that like jumps from like building to building, isn't there?
Yeah, he might be here later.
That's fine. I'm gonna get high.
Ow. You just stuck it in me. You didn't even ask, my guy. I like people to ask permission before they stick it in me, alright? Mia, that's your first lot of friendly damage. Your second lot, even.
Did that hit you? I don't have control over where that goes, though. You just press the F
You're
key.
a fucking tard.
I don't have control of that
There's a
one.
big boy by me.
I don't care. You fucking killed me, Mia. I hope you're happy.
I did not.
Fucking did. Pick me up.
I did not. What a story mark. Jesus, man.
Your corrosion fucked me over. Leave me be. Don't come near me.
Okay.
I'm having an honorable duel, man, and his teammates keep trying to interrupt it. Alright, Heretic Purged. Where's the next one? There you
Everywhere. Everywhere across the entire map.
I swear to fucking god.
Hey, your fault if you
Thanks.
stand near the fire.
You fucking... Look at my fucking footage. And then tell me you didn't just blow fire in my fucking face.
So
Maybe leave the melee to me. There we go.
they're fighting each other? What?
Yeah, you'll see.
Oh, hello. Mr. Goat? Man?
It's a she.
Outsider,
Goat woman.
you serve.
I serve Whoever you two. Why is that an answer?
Go for it.
What are my options?
Yeah, that's the one
Should I press that one?
I said whoever you do, go for it.
Navun serves none but the people. But you wouldn't know that, would you?
No, unfortunately
I
not.
know your kind. You are Paxeltech. Outsider.
I'm gonna go with trying to get some answers about Ford for this one, because if this person knows where Ford is, then it's easy. We can get out.
Ah. Perhaps a friend then. The Paxeltech Ford.
Hey! Told you.
Mhm.
Now we're mates.
You at all. But Ford is gone now. They question him to find us.
Ah, they question him. They question him.
Mhm.
Huh?
Sounds like he's been captured.
Yeah.
The other pans. Yeah.
I need to find him.
A queen keeps him in her ziggurat. Ziggurat is easy to find. Ford is not.
We will find
Especially not
Ford.
if you're Sindri.
Can I ask you
Say
some
again?
questions?
I
How
was
long
gonna
have you
say,
known
especially
Ford?
Not if you're Sindri.
One of your century.
I'm pretty sure that he came here like shortly after his wife and what his wife and child died.
Cue the cyberpunk music and see
Yeah.
as he came.
Alright, so we are guests and friends here, so don't break stuff. If you're already shooting, I can hear it from here.
Just proceeds to murder the fucking goat.
Please don't murder.
Well, the tentacles aren't triggering, so it's not quite time.
I was gonna say, at least let's use the information and stuff to go find Ford. You can beat up the goat lady later, but honestly, she seems cool.
Quack, quack.